Welcome, today in front of me OPPO F21 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So let's just first open the settings section and click here to the sounds and vibration. Now just to activate silent mode, click only once on the switcher, and to turn it off, click on the switcher again. Also, we can use the ringtone volume panel to do that. Just when we'll move the ringtone, we can see that the silent mode is activated, and when we'll move the ringtone volume, silent mode is turned off. Also, we have the third way how we can do that. Just first open the notification panel, and here you'll see the silent mode icon. Just to activate silent mode, click once on the icon, and to turn it off, click on the icon again. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.